It's really interesting when you take the context of machine health and then you look at process health and you combine the two. So many companies, many manufacturing and just industrial companies in general started with machine health and assets because they're obvious. You know that you can reduce emissions, you know that you can avoid catastrophic failure. But when you have those things in place, you then have to look at the greater process itself, because both machines and process impact production and the health of production. So if you have this bigger view, if you understand really all the aspects of your entire production, you're really going to be more competitive. You're going to be suited for the future. You're going to be able to say, listen, I can demonstrate that I can run my business at the speed of machines. I can respond to markets faster, but I can also quantifiably demonstrate that I'm doing so in a way that is sustainable and I'm being a good steward of the environment. That's really the combination that it gives you, and that's where the market is headed.